Back on day 51, the modern Norwegian team are 180 miles south of the pole on their way home. They're finding their depots, travelling light, and are 411 miles ahead of the British. Rune is enjoying the experience of travelling as Amundsen did.
The equipment have been perfect. Amundsen's way of travelling and thinking, we have tried that, and has been a good experience, and it works. The old style is still working, no problem.
After 7 weeks on the ice cap, Rune is in philosophical mood.
This is a mental life. You're living inside yourself. You learn quite a lot about yourself, and also you often find out what is important in life. You just have to be humble and patient. You're just a really small piece out here, and you have to behave because Mother Nature is the law.